Royal terns stay around warm coastal marine waters where they are normally resting and foraging near the shore. Royal terns will eat a variety of foods. For example, in the Caribbean, they prey mostly on small flying fish. In the mid-Atlantic regions, they prey mostly on small blue crabs where they are molting. In general, many royal terns will eat small surfacing schools of fish, such as silver sides, anchovies, sardines, bluefish, butterfish, and drum. Royal terns will also feed at night where squid is available, where they will come up from the deep to feed.